Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that could totally change your sleep game, the Puffy Royal Hybrid King Size Mattress. We've been testing it out for the last 30 days and today I'm going to tell you exactly what we think about this luxury hybrid mattress. If you've been following us, you know that we've tested out a few of Puffy's different mattresses. We've tried the Puffy Cloud, the Puffy Luxe, and now the Puffy Royal. Today we're going to talk about how the Puffy Royal completely exceeded our expectations and set a new bar for comfort and support. Stay tuned because this might just be the mattress that you've been looking for. First impressions are everything, and right out of the box, the Puffy Royal made a statement. Now, we've tested the Puffy Cloud and the Puffy Luxe in the past, so we've had some solid expectations heading into this review. We were immediately impressed by the plush, cloud-like feel of the top layers. The balance between comfort and support was apparent the very first night. It's like Puffy took the best of both the Cloud and the Luxe. Soft, yet supportive, and they put it into one mattress with the Puffy Royal Hybrid. Let's break it down. Now, I'm someone who loves a mattress that combines the best of both worlds, comfort and support. And that's exactly what the Puffy Royal delivered. It's got this luxurious, plush feel without sacrificing the support that keeps your spine aligned. And here's the thing. The Puffy Cloud gave us that all foam, soft, cozy feel that was perfect for side sleepers. But we wanted more support, especially in the lumbar area. The Puffy Luxe stepped in with the hybrid design, offering better support and response with the pocket coils, but still not quite the plush feel that we were after. Now, let's take a closer look at the Puffy Royal Hybrid's design. The Puffy Royal boasts 10 layers of advanced technology and premium materials, designed to give you an exceptional sleep experience. Puffy didn't hold back in terms of comfort with its thoughtful design. Each layer has a specific role, from the cooling cloud cover to regulate temperature, the premium memory foam to maximize pressure relief, and the hybrid coil design to provide support and proper spinal alignment. It's as if they took the best of the Puffy Cloud with the pressure relief and softness it provided with its all foam feel, and the Puffy Luxe with its durable, supportive hybrid design, and perfected the formula with the Puffy Royal Hybrid. One of the standout features for me with this mattress was the pressure relief, especially for side sleepers like me. The Royal did a fantastic job of giving me that cloud-like feel without making me feel like I was sinking too far into the bed. I woke up with zero aches in my shoulders and my hips, and honestly, that's something I can't say for every mattress that we've tested. Reflecting on my experience with the Puffy Cloud, it was a little too soft for my lower back and hips after long-term use. Over the course of several years, I couldn't help but think that the support could be better for my lower back. The Puffy Luxe was a great option, but it didn't quite have that cushy comfort that I personally crave. And the Puffy Royal, well, it took everything I loved about the previous mattresses and gave me a perfect compromise. It's soft, but not too soft, with the support of the hybrid design. I can't express how well this mattress supports my back and my hips while still giving me that plush, cozy feel. Now, if you share your bed with someone, you'll appreciate the Puffy Royal's motion isolation. This mattress nearly eliminates motion transfer, so no more waking up every time your partner moves. It's quiet, it's stable, and that's a big win in my book. And if you're like me and you tend to run hot at night, don't worry. The Puffy Royal Hybrid does an excellent job of keeping things cool. Thanks to the cooling gel memory foam and breathable design, I didn't wake up sweaty once. That's a huge plus if you're tired of waking up in a pool of your own sweat. And let's not forget edge support. When we tried the Puffy Cloud and Puffy Lux, we noticed the edge support wasn't always great, more so notable with the Cloud. But with the Puffy Royal, the edge support is solid. No rolling off or feeling like you're going to fall off the bed when sitting or lying near the perimeter. It's just as usable from edge to edge. I was expecting a soft mattress with a foam encased perimeter like this to have weak edge support, but Puffy really did a nice job here. Of course, no mattress is perfect. A couple of things to keep in mind when we talk about the Puffy Royal Hybrid. First, the Royal is 14 inches tall, which is pretty substantial, so make sure you've got the right foundation and deep pocket sheets for it. Second, while the mattress feels fantastic, Puffy doesn't disclose the exact foam densities, which makes it a bit tricky to judge the long-term durability. Puffy markets the Royal as a luxury hybrid mattress, and it also comes with a higher price tag than several other of the mattresses that we've tested. Just like the Cloud and the Lux, the Puffy Royal comes with a lifetime limited warranty and a 101 night sleep trial, so you have plenty of time to see if it's the right fit for you. And the best part? If you don't love it, Puffy will take it back for free. No strings attached. So, after a full 30-day trial, we can confidently say that the Puffy Royal Hybrid is a top contender in the luxury hybrid mattress category. At the end of the day, the Puffy Royal Hybrid stands out as the best mattress we've tried from Puffy so far. Whether you're a side sleeper, a back sleeper, or just want a well-rounded mattress, the Puffy Royal truly delivers it all. Puffy Royal Hybrid offers incredible pressure relief, excellent motion isolation, and a cool, comfortable sleep surface. If you're someone who loves a plush mattress but still needs solid support, this one's for you. Bottom line, the Puffy Royal Hybrid offers a fantastic balance of comfort and support. If you're on the hunt for a mattress that feels like sleeping on a cloud but still has the support you need, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. And don't forget, if you're interested, check out the link below to take full advantage of our cashback rebate program. You could earn yourself up to $100 on your next Puffy purchase.